Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the Falcon Anime Vanguard. Begin by organizing your deck into Ride Chain, Triggers, and G-Zone for quick access. Shuffle thoroughly and set up your Vanguard in the center with 2 back row circles ready. Keep a small pile of extra cards and markers nearby to track damage and boosts. Practice creates instinctive sequencing and faster decision-making during games. In this video, I will explain how to use the Falcon Anime Vanguard. Focus on timing your drive checks and triggering Falcon boosts when opponents expose weak rear guards. Chain combo pieces so support abilities resolve from smallest to largest impact for maximum value. Conserving hand cards lets you respond to opponent pressure and secure critical guard windows. Repeat these sequences in practice games. In this video, I will help you defend with the Falcon Anime Vanguard. Anticipate opponent play patterns and prepare guards before they commit a turn of multiple attacks. Use a mix of card and shield placement to deny critical triggers and blunt surge turns. When necessary, trade field tempo for long-term control by conserving your powerful cards for pivotal moments. Practice reading the board to improve defensive timing and counterplay decisions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.